Yo, what is up, ninjas? I am here with Jums Bay. Hello there.
Oh, there he is.
Hello.
We got
Nick Crumpton.
We have the crazy Joe over there.
Oh, Jesus. We got murderous. We gotta run, ninjas. If you can't see me, that's probably because I'm running in the darkness. I'm camping, and I already had a tick. Oh my God! And this psycho has a bullet. This psycho's chasing him. I don't know if you can see it over there. We got a psycho right there. Oh, hello there. Wait.
You're gonna go.
Not by the fire.
No. That's not even mine. Guys, he's chasing me. Oh my God, he's about to get me.
Are you still on video?
Yeah.
Holy crap, you're weird.
Oh my God.
I got him. Are we gonna kill him?
Spanker, don't hold that guy. Get him. Probably cannot see anything.
My hands are up.
Yeah, you better. There's a bear. 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 JK, guys, there's no bear. But I'm about to roast the trolley. Where's Nick? Nick, get the trolleys. Can I have one? Oh, yo.
Yeah, you're such a god. I thank you. My blessings, child. Hold on. Get out of your
You guys like it?
Quick, no, because Joe's coming.
Yeah.
God, give me a word. Give me a
Yo,
word.
we got a dippies. Yeah?
Are you still on video?
Mhm.
Why are you? Stop.
Yo, is there a steak?
Anthony, you might want to run. Yeah, we have stuff.
Go away from the fire.
Fuck you.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I want to see what happens if I throw it in the fire. Does anyone have a stick that I can roast this on?
No, that's my. That's James. My turn.
Listen, remember one thing, guys. Does everybody notice the bottom of the barrel? Do you
Yeah.
see how red it is? That means that it's insanely hot. If you touch it with your shoes or anything, we're going to be in a lot of trouble. Either your shoes melting or your foot's going to be burning.
Guess what? I caught all those holes by myself.
Yeah, Joe did. He shot it with the gun.
Really?
I real dumb. Really? My dad was in the truck.
What the hell? We're gonna need to build some brick walls around our tents.
Yeah, it's like a gun that you hold it up to something.
Jesus.
It goes fast.
Ninjas, he's talking about a gun right now. That is true. You know YouTube's gonna hear your conversation.
You're gonna get.
Gems, it's really hot. I don't suggest putting your legs that close.
I like my toesies.
No, but it's like really hot.
Do we have any sticks so I can roast my trolley?
Chewy?
My trolley.
Is that your spit?
No, it's my trolley. I'm trolley.
Oh my God, the trolley already melted.
One trolley. He did?
Throw me your trolley. Nick, right here. Nick, right here.
I got your face.
I think I only got two.
Any?
Blue
Yeah.
and red. I don't care. I've never had a trolley.
Yeah, now you can probably see my face, but you cannot see my body. It looks pretty, oh my God. That looks so cool.
I'm scary.
That looks so cool. You can see my face, but not my, oh yeah, thanks for the trolley.
Here you go.
Here's the trolley, guys.
I like trolleys.
And there goes the trolley. Let's see what happens to the trolley. Oh, that entire trolley's melted.
Here.
Yo, we should get some sticks and roast them.
I found a stick.
That's not a
I want to talk to the ninjas.
okay, ninjas. This is my biggest subscriber so far.
Yeah.
He has.
What's up?
He has
Can you
4
see me?
accounts.
I know you can't see me, but you can hear me.
Oh,
You
here.
shouldn't hear that.
Yeah, we're camping and we're listening to Earth. Yeah, I'm pretty sad. Nick, where are the sticks? Where are the sticks?
I'll go get the sticks.
Okay. Yeah.
Ginger beer.
Moo, you
Yeah,
drink
that's-
milk
that's-
from my
that's one of
tits.
the best ones.
Moo, I'm
guys
a
making
fucking
s'mores?
pig. I'm coming
Yeah,
from
it's called,
Yeah.
no, don't use those for,
Yeah, don't
No.
use
use those for s'mores.
Yeah, s'mores.
Yeah.
You gonna do s'mores?
Mhm.
But it was like old school, like European.
We got
We're
that
gonna make
blog.
s'mores.
No, it's like half hour between courses.
I'll take this. Yeah, s'mores. Come on, let's go.
Because like you couldn't take the kids.
We'll take like a rod
Graham
of
crackers?
these. Yeah,
It
and
was like,
chocolate.
it was just,
We should put that on the
that's how
table.
they do it in Europe. It's very, very.
Yeah, take one sleeve for now. Come back for more. There's plenty more.
Yeah, talk, drink.
You want
Guys!
chocolate? First plate.
S'mores!
Like fat.
S'mores!
We're gonna make some
We're
s'mores.
gonna make some s'mores, chitties. S'mores, we're making s'mores.
You guys have sticks?
I gotta get my trunk. What the fuck? I'm a clam. I'm a wolf out.
We got some Marshies.
We got some.
Trolley. We're out. Open them. I'm gonna talk to the ninjas.
Okay.
What's up, ninjas?
Well, I want to talk to the ninjas.
Oh, here,
I have all my
Hello. Dude, I need a stick.
I haven't vlogged in
Grab a stick.
Yo, what's up, guys? Yeah, he hasn't vlogged.
If you're watching this and you are a wee bro talking, like and
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to my channel. I need to get a play button.
No, you have to like. No balls, you
Yeah,
won't
like.
subscribe.
Yeah, the new YouTube algorithm.
And the whip ball that way.
It sucks.
I want you on this side, guys, all right?
Okay.
Let it float out.
100 subscribers does nothing for you. Really?
Yeah, I have 100 subscribers. Does nothing.
I have like three.
Oh, my friend.
You gotta sing for it.
Yeah, I was
No,
friends.
that's 10,000.
Oh, I
Give
got
me
it.
a stick. Oh.
Wait, where's like the s'mores and the
Chocolate.
Hershey bars?
Wait,
Nick's got the Hershey bar.
Here, put it on Nick.
Anthony's got the
Hershey bars.
graham
Can I have a
crackers.
stick? Anthony, where the graham crackers?
Do we
only have 4 sticks?
I got the graham crackers.
I don't know where they're.
These days it's like we don't know how to act.
Here they are.
Pour it.
Here's the graham crackers. Where should I put these?
Blow that out.
Pour it.
Bye, guys.